Hi, my name is Kendall Jackson. I am a Georgia licensed, certified by ASHA speech language pathologist. I know you're wondering probably what a speech language pathologist actually is because I get asked that question a lot of times. Speech language pathologist, or should I say an SLP, which is what we're normally abbreviated as, is officially defined as someone who works to assess, diagnose, and treat communication disorders. So when I say communication disorders, you're thinking about, or you should think about speech, which is articulation, how you say the words. You should think about language, which is how we are able to express ourselves and how we are able to receive the language that is being spoken to us. You should also think about voice, how hoarse your voice is or how high pitch it is, and are your vocal folds feeling kind of funny. We also think about fluency, which is also known as stuttering. And then finally, another area that we assess that a lot of people don't know is swallowing. Yes, that's swallowing. That's the swallowing that we assess typically in the hospital setting, but we'll talk about that in another video. For all intents and purposes, I made this video as a starter to my channel. As the owner of Bright Future Therapy Services, I wanted to be able to offer a channel where parents are able to come and check out techniques that they're able to do at home after the therapy has ended. I also wanted to provide a place where kids can come and practice therapy techniques using a model that is specified and correct by the speech language pathologist. That would be me. And finally, I wanted to create a space where I can come and hold discussions about communication and how it affects us in our everyday life. So that's really what I wanted to focus on this channel. Like I said, I'll be coming back to make a few videos to talk about, how communication affects what kind of job we get, or how communication affects how maybe the teachers view us in the school. Also how swallowing is also a part of speech pathology and the different ins and outs of speech pathology. And I'll also be creating videos where it'll be a resource for kids to use at home, like I said, after the therapy services. So be on the lookout for some posts from me. Like I said, my name is Kendall Jackson. I've been a speech language pathologist for the last about 10 years now. I've worked in multiple settings, including homes, schools, hospitals, nursing homes, you name it, I've worked in it. So, just look out for some posts from me to educate you on speech pathology, and also for your kids, if you have some kids that have some speech concerns or are receiving speech services, this will be a great place for you to come and check out some videos, okay? Thank you for your time, and look for some more posts. Y'all have a great weekend.